Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 14. In this video I'll show you how to use Siri on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Siri and search, and now enable Listen for Hey Siri. Set up Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Tap Done, and now enable Allow Siri when locked. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today?
I can't tell your location because of your settings. Where would you like to hear the weather for?
Tell me the weather for Kraków.
It's currently partly cloudy and 13 degrees in Krakow, Poland. Expect rain starting in the evening. Today's high will be 15 degrees and the low will be 8 degrees.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.